Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. When dyeing with natural colors, more shade can be obtained using a modifying agent. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make iron water and how to use it to change the color of an avocado dye. We start by pouring into a glass jar, like this one, 100 milliliters of white vinegar. And then we pour 200 milliliters of water. To finish, we are going to put some nails like this one. If they are already rusty, it's better. Then you close the jar, and after 2 weeks or more, you're going to have something like this one. Always remember to label your jar. Then to change the color of a fabric, you just need to pour water into a stainless steel container. 3 teaspoons or more, depending on the color that you want of the iron water. When it's all well mixed, you can add your fabric. This is a fabric that I dye using avocado skins. If you want to know how to do it, I'm going to link the video on the description. I'm going to leave the fabric inside for a couple seconds, just so the fabric absorbs the iron water. Then I remove the fabric from the iron water and let it dry. Iron water tends to bring the color into a darker shade. If you are looking for a really dark shade or brown, you can dip your fabric into the jar. You will notice that the fabric will change color immediately, but it will become darker and darker with time. Here you can see the difference between the original fabric and the fabric with iron water. You can create an ombre effect if you just dip one part of your fabric or your jar. Or you can create a pattern with a brush, like this. I'm just taking the iron water and painting on the fabric. These are the fabric after 10 minutes. You can obtain different shades depending on the amount of iron water that you are using. This is a different way to create more colors and more shade with just one dye. Iron water is used in the world of natural dyeing to obtain more darker colors, to obtain brown colors, but also to obtain green from flowers that normally give yellow. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!